Did you know that just changing when you eat without changing what you eat can increase your metabolism by up to 14%? That's right, the timing of your meals might be more important than you think. So today I'm going to show you how intermittent fasting works like a reset button for your body's nutrient sensors. I spent the last decade studying how our bodies respond to different eating patterns. Intermittent fasting isn't just another diet trend. It's a powerful tool that can help your body better understand and use the nutrients you give it. So let me show you how. Let's talk about what most people get wrong about fasting. First, many think it's about starving yourself. It's not. You're simply organizing your eating into specific time windows. Second, people often believe they'll lose muscle mass. Actually, research shows that when done correctly, intermittent fasting can help preserve muscle while burning fat. The biggest challenges I see with my patients are fear of being hungry, confusion about when to exercise, worry about social situations, uncertainty about what breaks a fast. And here's the thing, these concerns are totally normal, but once you understand how your body's nutrient sensors work, everything becomes much clearer. So let's break down what happens in your body during fasting. After about 12 hours without food, your body switches from using sugar to using fat for energy. Activates cellular cleanup, autophagy, increases sensitivity to nutrients. Think of it like resetting your phone when it's acting up. Fasting resets your body nutrient sensors, making them more sensitive and efficient. Key nutrient sensors that get activated. mTOR controls growth and protein synthesis. AMPK regulates energy balance. Sirtuins influence aging and longevity. The magic happens when these sensors start working together properly. It's like turning a radio to get the perfect signal. Your body becomes better at using the nutrients you give it. So let me share a remarkable case study that changed how I view fasting. So meet Tom, a 45-year-old software engineer who came to my clinic struggling with energy crashes and weight gain. Now, despite eating healthy foods, his body wasn't responding well. His nutrient sensors were basically tone deaf. We started him on a simple 16-8 fasting protocol. 16-hour fasting, that's including sleep, 8 hours eating window, no other diet changes initially. After just 6 weeks, his energy levels stabilized, morning brain fog disappeared, lost 18 pounds, blood sugar levels normalized, sleep improved dramatically. The key wasn't just the fasting, it was how the fasting restored his body's ability to recognize and use nutrients effectively. Remember, intermittent fasting isn't about restriction, it's about giving your body's nutrient sensors the reset they need to work efficiently. When these sensors work better, you feel better, think better, and of course perform better. Have you tried intermittent fasting? Share your experience in the comments below, and if you want to learn more about optimizing your body's nutrient sensors, hit subscribe and notification bell. Next week we're diving into the best fasting windows for different goals. Stay healthy.